People, we need to find them drunk, yeah. Watch this video.
Purchase your tracks today.
Now it's just a little schoolgirl. What you think she got off on her for two big old great town man come rob her? A pencil no want to take her from her? Or book them? Lunch money? Phone? You know some waste man. You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. Say for the first time you check out the Chaddy TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications. So anytime I upload videos like these, you definitely are gonna be the first to know. Big up to the people that are watching on Facebook. Me not telling a lie. Me I get some real love from the community over Facebook. And for that, I will give a shout out to a lucky viewer and read one of their most recent comments. So make sure you watch the entire video. I'ma feel like say that is something I go do every video, you know. Read out some comments. I may have to give a quick shout out to Marvoni for supplying me with this beat. Link up Marvoni Records for all your dancehall, reggae, hip hop, Afrobeats. Any type of beat you want, any instrumental, Marvoni Records, big up yourself. We are gonna listen to some tracks and then go straight into the topics.
Reach too far for we stop ya now. Can't drop off at the top ya now. Me and my dogs, them a chop ya now. You have to talk to we proper now.
Pull up another ladder, but me have the Benz and the Prada, and a couple brand new order.
Wanna kick it with you tonight. Lady, with you tonight. No hanging with my crew.
Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! Chaddy Murray TV.
For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Murray. Bototom, Bush, Yaxter said that.
Yes, people, that's exactly what you saw at jet ski. Earlier on this week, rain lashes sections of the island. To be exact, Port Maria and St. Anne. And people, you know we as Jamaican, even in the midst of a disaster, we are trying to make some fun out of it. And that's exactly what they did. A few days ago, we spoke about a particular illegal taxi driver. Well, basically, police are run him down and him decide not to stop. Technically, him all the people against them will, you know. So we can call it kidnapping. I refer to him as unruly cabby. No, TVJ did that story and referred to him as unruly taxi. No, Popcaan see that and never like it and react to it.
Pussy, why not we call him unruly taxi? I don't know him. He's not no unruly taxi driver. Get away, man.
I also have an update on this story. So, allegedly, the driver in question is a repeat offender. And he had 19 unpaid traffic tickets. And a warrant was issued for his arrest. Also, Indicom is investigating the police officers for discharging their weapon in a moving vehicle. People, tell me what you think about this in the comment section. You think say Indicom for just allow them police and just give God thanks say nobody na get hurt? Or the police, them need to be disciplined? Tell me what you think in the comment section. Etana, the strong one, looking very strong in that video, came under heavy criticism after persons accuse her of getting her body done up. You know, that dolly something there. One social media, well, not necessarily one, you know, a whole heap of them, but me just point out one comment and read it. Everybody aware falls everything now. When it was the natural that gave them fame. Jano. One thing I really too like with Jamaican people, you know. Them say America have the cancel culture, but Jamaican have the bad mind and tear down culture. Etana, the strong one, continue looking strong. Alright, mama, you look good. Anyway, we can move on. Last thing we are going to look at is Popcaan finds somewhere. Popcaan finds somewhere for bore hole, cut lock, cut key, cut everything, and going at the argument between Spice, Ladies, Jada Kingdom. You know that little argument there, right? Anyway, him have a few recommendations for the ladies. Take a listen.
I wonder if a woman them in a dancehall music live worse than the man them. How are the bumbo clot a one? Why woman them a deal? No one some hoodie now no vagina wow. Now I'm crazy, you know. Like woman a dancehall, you not get the right set of sex. You know too miserable man. Yeah. You need Papa Skull in our life. These stress, you know, because you too stress, you know, cause one another. What the fuck wrong with you know? Spice a cause ladies are cause Spice, Spice a cause Shensia a cause Jada cause. What the fuck wrong with you know, man? How we wrong with you know? You know, father link me and bring you no tongue with you know. Yeah, kid man. I'm a teach journalists like you take. How the blood clot of them young woman here? You need some wood in a vagina, man. Bumbo clot, you know, cuss every minute like on a mad. How we wrong with you know? I don't like you know. They say dancehall male artists they don't live good. We are war boat. And we always can't unite. But the man woman are going bad from with them with how the bumbo clot this? The woman ain't get out her hand, man. Ladies are jump off a pulpit now. You know long me wait for her to come out of the church then? You feel my idiot? Me say, you know send this go give Spice to man. Send the life I go give all of them. All of the honey woman there with the oil ride them. Tell them say me have the blood clot remedy for them. Them a cost too much. They want some wood. How the bumbo clot one? Yeah man, big woman thing, me not like Ronaldo. I'm gonna do some therapy. Yeah. I'm give you some therapy because I don't need for read. I don't need somebody for read, we don't know. It's a bit frustrating. My dancehall ladies. You know what I'm saying? Would like to call and meet with all these ladies. But remember it go. Naked party, skinny dipping. The fuck? So that means say when you're ready for cuss, you remember say not a fighting party. It's a blood clot chilling party and sex if you don't like. Remember me say sex on the beach, on the river, we are doing it if you like. We can have a 4-some and 5-some. All women we are cuss to join in. And we could have that amount of someday. You know what I'm saying? Yeah man. Boy, I'm here telling you say the woman them in a dance hall. I want me a chat in the morning, you hear? When you cut to no fuck you out. If you no blood clot have a problem, when you come and ride my dick over. Yo, trouble night. Yeah, I love you all now. Why? But now feet, we not do that. Even though you hear me I tell the girl them to come over here, we not eat none of them. Grenade in your face. You don't try that. Them kind of game they don't play over unruly side of the world. Do the that, man. Yes. So as me I say, remember now, Miss Rona this done tell me already. So me better dancing because me say me want to rub down ladies' skin. So I don't know if me involve spice and shenzi and rub down for them skin too. And thick by the jada. How the bumbo cloud is? Hear me now, man? We don't need to de-stress. We not get enough. You know what I'm saying? Yes. We not get enough. Dick in our vagina on the mouth. Don't talk be rubbish. Yo, a serious thing me I tell you, me don't want to not laugh every minute like a joke me a bumbo like you know. Black man, big up yourself, critical. Big up your bumbo self, critical. Black man, you all see you. Joshy, me pitney, me see you. So, I mean, I don't know my style, me crazy plus stacks. But me I tell you, say, my woman them in a dancer, I don't like it bag of war business on the depend. I mean, I depend that we do here. Yeah. Me fix up things, man. The blood clear wrong with them, man. Look on the pretty and not still a fight. I'm not afraid of no crab up on the one another pretty face. I don't know how this possible. Me not care. And if I pan the pulpit, mama saw if you kick out thing, I don't mind. I'll pan the pulpit, we can do some bump and grind. Street. Yeah, man. I'm going to nice blood clot. I'm tell you, man. That's the First Nation they pan that too. May I tell you some man, dog? Get to ladies, sir, and get to Spice, and get to Shen, Miss Chin, and get to Jada, and tell them, say, all of them, gather round, y'all pick me, take rice. All of them can take rice. Rice available for all sexy body girl. Mama, let to them, eye. Yeah, man. So, I just that me for upon the life, you said this morning, you know. The woman them in a dance hall, remember me tell you now. Me available. If it stop the violence or not go against each other. Start the fighting so early in the morning. Why wanna have it? Read under that. Yeah, don't confuse me with R. Kelly and them gods there. We are though. Yeah, do piece more than there. Put piece more yam in another plate. Yeah. That is it. Yeah, man. So as me I say, me not forward to say much. Me just tell you say the woman them we are cuss want some wood. Now them vagina if you keep them calm. Remember me say tight pussy girl calm on yourself, you know. So you should keep calm. Unless that spot they not tight, that's what me think.
So we reached that point where I'm going to read out a random comment. And this comment is coming from Debbie A. Duran. And she said she's a new fan here. Alright? Bless up yourself, Debbie. And thanks for hitting that follow button on Facebook. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And guess what? A one way and any other way are the wrong way. My God.